Hi, my name is Kimberly Montini. I'm a mom of four and I'm a reading specialist, and I love helping children learn to read. I'm really excited to talk with you about the Piney Pals decodable books. But before I do, I want you to think back to the last time you took your child bowling. If you were like me, you probably asked them to put those bumpers in the lanes. And the reason that we did that is because we wanted our children to practice the skills again and again without becoming discouraged and eventually having the success of bowling a strike. Well, that's exactly the same way that I've written the Piney Pals decodable books. There is so much built-in support, just like those bumpers. The books were written very carefully, using the science of exactly how a child should learn to read. Your child will be supported every step of the way. But I also wanted your child to fall in love with reading. So I made sure that these books are full of characters that your child can relate to. There are so many laugh out loud moments. Your child will ask to read the next book, and they will want to read the books again and again. I can't wait for you and your child to get the Piney Pals decodable books. And when you do, you can feel confident in knowing that these books were written using the science and they will support your child in helping them to become an independent reader. But they were also written for pure joy.